The gaming world is buzzing with affordable powerhouses. These budget-friendly gaming PCs combine cost-effectiveness with impressive performance, making gaming accessible to a wider audience without compromising on quality and experience. CLX Raw. It is a high-performance gaming PC designed for avid gamers. It features powerful Intel or AMD processors and a range of GPU options, including NVIDIA GeForce RTX and AMD Radeon RX, for stunning visuals and real-time ray tracing. Equipped with fast RAM and a combination of SSDs and HDDs, it strikes a balance between speed and storage. The customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch to the sleek design. This PC excels in performance, offering high frame rates, smooth graphics, and efficient cooling for extended gaming sessions. It's also designed for easy upgrades, ensuring it stays at the forefront of gaming technology. Corsair Vengeance i8-100. This is a pre-built gaming PC that delivers optimal gaming performance. Powered by Intel processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs, it's built for demanding games and tasks. Fast RAM and SSD storage contribute to swift load times and smooth gaming. The PC emphasizes efficient cooling, ensuring hardware longevity during extended gaming sessions. Its sleek chassis features customizable RGB lighting to match your setup. With a focus on performance, aesthetics, and cooling, this gaming PC offers a visually stunning and immersive gaming experience. HP Omen 45L. This gaming PC offers top-tier gaming performance in a customizable package. With various configurations featuring Intel or AMD processors and high-end NVIDIA or AMD GPUs, it caters to diverse gaming needs and budgets. The PC includes ample RAM and SSD storage for quick load times and multitasking. It excels in high-fidelity AA titles and competitive esports, and it's easily upgradable to stay on the cutting edge of technology. The design prioritizes airflow and efficient cooling, ensuring optimal performance even during demanding gaming sessions. The sleek chassis with customizable RGB lighting complements your gaming environment. CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme. It is a powerful and customizable gaming desktop suitable for both casual and hardcore gamers. It's equipped with high-performance processors like Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 and top-tier graphics cards such as NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series or AMD Radeon RX 6000 series. Generous RAM and fast SSD storage enhance responsiveness and loading times. The PC is designed for optimal gaming performance and efficient cooling, allowing it to handle resource-intensive games effortlessly. It offers customizable RGB lighting and a sleek modern design with transparent side panels, showcasing its powerful components. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. It is a formidable gaming PC designed for serious gamers seeking high performance and reliability. It features high-end Intel Core i7 or i9 processors and powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards. With generous RAM and SSD storage, it ensures quick system responsiveness and faster game loading times. Lenovo's Vantage software allows fine-tuning for an optimal gaming experience. The PC boasts a gamer-centric design with customizable RGB lighting and efficient cooling. Its sturdy, angular chassis and transparent side panel add style to your gaming setup, while the cooling system ensures consistent performance during extended gaming sessions. HP Victus 15L. This PC stands out as a budget-friendly powerhouse. Powered by AMD or Intel processors paired with NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon graphics, it strikes a balance between price and performance. Its robust configuration ensures seamless gaming and multitasking experiences. With generous RAM and storage options, it handles modern games and applications effectively. The sleek design, along with customizable RGB lighting, adds a touch of flair. Victus caters to gamers seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious enthusiasts. MSI Codex R10. This gaming PC excels in performance and flexibility. Equipped with Intel Core processors and NVIDIA GeForce graphics, it offers high-quality gaming experiences and supports visually demanding games. Its customizable RGB lighting and transparent side panel create a visually captivating setup. What sets the Codex R apart is its upgradability, allowing users to adapt their system as new components become available. This feature ensures the system stays relevant for future gaming demands. Gamers seeking both performance and future-proofing capabilities will appreciate the Codex R10 for its power and adaptability. Alienware Aurora R10. It is a top-of-the-line gaming desktop by Dell that offers unparalleled gaming performance. Powered by AMD Ryzen processors, it delivers exceptional speed and multitasking capabilities. Paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards, it ensures stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, even in the most demanding titles. Its advanced cooling system keeps the components at optimal temperatures during extended gaming sessions. The system features customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to create a personalized gaming setup. With ample RAM and storage options, it handles resource-intensive games and applications with ease. The Alienware Aurora R10 is designed for gamers who demand the best, providing a seamless and immersive gaming experience. ASUS ROG Strix GA15. It is a high-performance gaming desktop designed for enthusiasts and gamers seeking exceptional power and style. Equipped with AMD Ryzen processors and NVIDIA GeForce graphics cards, it delivers impressive gaming performance, ensuring smooth gameplay and immersive visuals. Its innovative cooling system, coupled with efficient airflow design, prevents overheating during intense gaming sessions, ensuring consistent performance. The GA15 features customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their setup to match their preferences. With ample RAM and SSD storage options, it handles multitasking and fast load times effortlessly. Its sleek chassis design, coupled with high-quality components, makes it a standout choice for gamers looking for both performance and aesthetics in their gaming rig. That's all for this video.